At AC King, please stand up po. Okay, again. Magkatabi po kami. Yun, very good. Excuse me, Zuan. Okay. Here's the declaration for the Queen of Hearts. The crown to be given by Mr. Penderson and Mr. Adrian. Parang kasi. Huh? Han? Can you please read back the sash for the king? Opo, okay. Okay, ganda-ganda. Ganda-ganda. Ala, ano na yung, nahuhulog po kasi lagi eh. Wow, thank you so much. And the sash to be given by the parents. Ma'am, please come over here to present this sash to our queen, Jay.